Hey guys, I'm using a good camera now, unusual. This is bright sunlight in my face here and I'm in shade. Check this out, you can really see the sideburn colours becoming orange, which is a lot closer to my eyebrow colour. And with this lighting, things look a bit different. Lighting makes a big difference in the way you look. I'd really love this this area here to join up right across to there. Don't we all wish that? I can't see the top of my head in this screen. I've got a screen plugged into this camera. How bad is that whole area? That's one of my big questions. Sunlight. Just want to test out whether or not it looks as bad as I think. Under certain lighting conditions. Because, I mean, I'd rather not have to wear hair if I can help it. But I certainly can't grow all this long and leave all this bald. It would have to be shaved off like this. Comb over at this point looks impossible. I mean, I could try to comb over one side and leave the other side exposed bald, or try to do a very thin, wispy comb over. Wouldn't work. The only solution without a hairpiece is to keep shaving it like this, probably even more so that this area doesn't juxtapose this area so, you know, strongly. I'll keep going to the gym though, and try to get rid of some of this. I've been going to the gym quite a lot to fill my days. Went for an hour on the treadmill today and lifted some 5 kilogram dumbbells intermittently. I'm hoping that it'll change my appearance.